I'm at a terrific River North location at State and Grand, 505 North State Street, looking out toward Lake Michigan, looking out toward Michigan Avenue's Mag Miles shops, just 2 short blocks away, heading around past the Wrigley building, looking toward a view of Chicago's fabulous Riverwalk, the iconic Marina Towers, the Loop, just a short walk south of here. Pretty much an unbeatable location in a building that has an appealing suite of amenities. And I've just walked into Unit 2504, one of Sweet Home Chicago's furnished apartments here. Looking at light plank flooring that extends throughout the living areas. Galley-style kitchen with a breakfast bar peninsula. You've got goodies to welcome you home. Side-by-side refrigerator freezer with ice and water in the door. And again, Sweet Home. Every convenience you're going to want. All the countertop appliances, cutlery, cookware, dinnerware, silverware. Coat closet off to your right as you would have entered the unit. And it's set up with ironing board, vacuum. You have an in-unit washer dryer in the kitchen. It's a good location for it because it's away from living and sleeping areas. Great windows here, facing east and facing south. And it's where the bath, a wide vanity, undermount sink, designer mirror, attractive gray tile. You have a walk-through tub shower combination with a deep soaking tub. And then swinging into the bedroom, you have gray carpeting, a walk-in closet, set up with a laundry basket and extra linens. And then a great wall of windows looking out toward the lake and the sunrise. Flat panel TVs, alarm clocks, all the conveniences that you're going to want when you're on the road. Sweet Home Chicago offers you a sweet deal.